Welcome to the Ice Battle. Today we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Smug Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenient features, but they cater to different preferences. The EUHOMY specializes in producing chewable nugget ice, perfect for drinks and cocktails, while the Smug offers traditional bullet-shaped ice cubes. We'll explore their capacities, prices, and unique features to help you choose the right one for your home, party, or outdoor adventures. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for those who enjoy a refreshing crunch in their drinks. This type of ice is often preferred for cocktails and soft drinks. On the other hand, the Smug Ice Maker produces traditional bullet ice, which is harder and ideal for cooling beverages quickly. While both types have their merits, the choice ultimately depends on your personal preference for ice texture. When it comes to daily ice production, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker stands out with an impressive capacity of 34 pounds per day, making it an excellent choice for parties and gatherings. In contrast, the Smug Ice Maker offers a lower production capacity of 26.5 pounds per day. While both machines can produce ice quickly, the EUHOMY is better suited for those who require larger quantities of ice. Price is an important factor when choosing an ice maker. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $189, reflecting its advanced features and higher production capacity. Meanwhile, the Smug Ice Maker is a budget-friendly option at just $69, making it accessible for those who want a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. Depending on your budget and ice needs, either option could be a great fit. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Smug Ice Maker have their unique advantages. If you prioritize chewable ice and higher production capacity, the EUHOMY is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option that still delivers quick ice, the Smug Ice Maker is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.